Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Baking Set is probably one of the most exciting purchases for beginner bakers, promising a world of delicious possibilities from cookies and cakes to breads and pastries. But with so many different sets available, how do you choose the one that's right for you? This video will guide you through the essential items to look for in a beginner's baking set, helping you avoid unnecessary tools and focus on the must-haves for creating those perfect treats. We will review top-rated sets and give you our expert recommendations to kickstart your baking adventure. Number 5. Amazon Basics Bakeware. This bakeware set is perfect for all your baking needs. It's made of heavyweight steel for even heating and has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. The set includes everything you need to get started, including a loaf pan, cake pans, muffin tin, roasting pan, and baking sheet. It's got all the bases covered. Its non-stick surface makes releasing your baked goods a breeze. Cleanup is quick and easy, too. Made of heavyweight steel, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. Say goodbye to uneven cooking. It's oven safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can bake and roast with confidence. It's versatile and ready for anything you throw at it. For best results, simply hand wash it. It's easy to maintain and will last for years to come. It's made without PFAS, so you can bake with peace of mind, knowing it's a safe and healthy choice for your family. This is part of the Amazon Basics collection, meaning you get great quality at a great price. It's a smart addition to any kitchen. What we like? It's oven safe and has a non-stick coating, making for easy food release and cleaning. Its heavyweight steel construction ensures even heating. If you're looking for a reliable and easy to clean bakeware set for everyday baking, this is the one for you. What people say? Easy to use and non-stick. Cleans easily. Lightweight and durable. It is good quality little set for beginner bakers. Easy to clean. Nice color. Lightweight. Good size. And is functional for everyday use. The non-stick coating works effectively, making it easy to release baked goods without sticking, and cleanup is a breeze. The carbon steel construction heats evenly, which is essential for consistent baking results. Number 4. RFAQK Cake Kit. This kit has everything you need to start decorating cakes. It includes a turntable, piping bags, tips, spatulas, and more. The rotating cake stand makes decorating easy for both right and left-handed users. It's non-stick, non-toxic, and dishwasher safe. It comes with a variety of piping tips, including numbered tips and Korean ruffle tips, to create beautiful designs. Reusable and disposable bags are included. You'll also get spatulas for icing, scrapers for smoothing, couplers for easy tip changes, and a cleaning brush for easy cleanup. A video course, ebook, and pattern chart are included to guide you through the process. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like? This kit has everything you need to start decorating cakes, including a turntable and various piping tips. It even comes with a video course and pattern chart for guidance. If you are a beginner who wants to learn cake decorating, this comprehensive kit is perfect for you. What people say? The RFAQK 230pcs Cake Decorating Supplies Kit is an all-in-one dream come true for both beginner and experienced bakers and cake decorators. This comprehensive set offers everything you need to take your cake decoration skills to the next level. The standout feature of this kit is its extensive variety of tools and accessories. It includes a cake turntable, piping bags and tips, modeling tools, cookie plunger cutters, an icing smoother, and a wide array of other essential items. The cake turntable is particularly valuable, making the process of frosting and decorating cakes much easier and more precise. It rotates smoothly, allowing for smooth and consistent frosting application. The turntable, combined with the assortment of piping bags and tips, enables you to achieve professional-level results. The quality of the tools and materials in this kit is impressive. They are made to withstand repeated use, ensuring that your investment is long-lasting. The variety of cookie plunger cutters and modeling tools is an excellent addition, expanding the kit's functionality beyond just cake decoration. You can create beautifully detailed cookies, fondant decorations, and more, allowing you to explore various baking and decorating projects. Number 3. RFAQK Cake Kit. Everything you need to start decorating cakes is included in this kit. It has all the tools, from a turntable to piping tips, to help you create beautiful cakes. This 360-degree rotating stand makes decorating easy for both left and right-handed people. It's made from durable, non-stick material and is dishwasher safe. The kit includes reusable and disposable piping bags and 24 numbered tips. A booklet shows you what design each tip creates, making it simple to choose the right one. You'll also get scrapers for smoothing icing, couplers for easy tip changes, and a cleaning brush. A helpful ebook with recipes and instructions is included. With this complete kit and easy-to-follow instructions, you can start creating stunning cakes. We're confident you'll love the results. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it for a full refund. What we like? It's a complete kit with a turntable and easy-to-use piping tips, perfect for beginners. The included booklet and pattern chart make it simple to get started. If you want a simpler, more streamlined cake decorating kit, this is a great choice. What people say. The spinning table is amazingly stable, and the quality of the tools, even the plastic ones, is quite good. You'll have more than enough nozzles to learn decorating techniques, bags to use and various tools to practice with. Not only were the tips provided much better quality, there was a book included that showed what each tip would create. They're also labeled with numbers, unlike my plastic ones, which was a guessing game when choosing which to use. The spatulas were an accessory that I didn't realize I needed until I used them. There are 2 different types, both of which are helpful in the decorating process. The cake cutter was very useful and helped level layers with ease. Number 2. Tovla Jr. Set. It's the perfect gift for any young chef. This complete set has everything they need to start cooking and baking, all in one convenient storage case. We only use safe, non-toxic, food-grade materials. It's designed to build your child's confidence and kitchen skills. The included recipe book has parent-approved recipes that are easy to follow. Cooking together is a great way to bond and build confidence. Stylish and gender-neutral, it lets your child express their creativity. The apron helps keep things tidy while they unleash their culinary talents. Using the various tools helps develop fine motor skills, from rolling dough to using the knives. It enhances dexterity and hand-eye coordination. This set includes a reusable toolbox, cookbook, apron, measuring tools, timer, tongs, rolling pin, knives, spoon, spatula, whisk, cookie cutters, and a cutting board. They'll have everything they need to create delicious treats. What we like? This set includes kid-safe utensils and a cookbook with easy recipes. It's designed to help children develop fine motor skills and build confidence in the kitchen. If you are looking for a fun and educational cooking experience for your child, this is the perfect gift. What people say. This gift set includes everything kids need to start cooking and baking like real chefs. From utensils and measuring tools to mixing bowls and cookie cutters, it provides all the essentials for a fun and educational cooking experience. The cooking utensils and bakeware are made from durable, food-grade materials that are safe for kids to use. They're designed to withstand the rigors of cooking and baking while ensuring long-lasting durability. The included cookbook features a variety of kid-friendly recipes that are easy to follow and fun to make. It provides step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and colorful illustrations that inspire creativity and culinary exploration. Number 1. Baketivity Cake Pop Kit. It has all the dry ingredients, pre-measured and ready to go. Everything is kosher and made in the USA, so you know it's high quality and delicious. With pre-measured ingredients and step-by-step instructions with kid-friendly illustrations, even the youngest bakers can follow along easily. It even includes a shopping list for the wet ingredients. This isn't just baking, it's a learning experience. It teaches basic kitchen skills and baking techniques, building confidence in young chefs. Give the gift of baking and create lasting memories in the kitchen. It's perfect for family bonding time and makes a wonderful gift. Scan the QR code to access a video guide from Baketivity's head baker. Your child will feel like a real baking pro with this step-by-step video help. What we like? It comes with pre-measured ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, making baking a breeze. There's even a video guide to help you along the way. If you want a simple and fun baking project for kids, this is a great option. What people say. It was everything we needed minus the liquid ingredients. Everything you needed was included and all the ingredients were pre-packaged. Everything was included and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.